Hello, I'm David McInturf, and today we're talking about Gentili ladder racks. Gentili makes an awesome ladder rack. They're designed, engineered, and made in Italy. And if anybody can make a ladder rack cool, it's the Italians. It's made in two basic styles. One is the Harrier, as we see here. It's a single ladder rack. In reality, you can put two ladders on it. And then we have the Maxi, which accommodates two ladders side by side. It can be mounted to any vehicle, a truck topper, of course a van, even service bodies and other vehicles like fire department trucks. It comes with its own specialized bracket kits for things like vans, but also universal bracket kits for other applications, again like a pickup topper or a specialty vehicle. The unit is made of anodized aluminum. All of the fittings are stainless steel. There's specialized struts that allow it to carefully drop down very easily and carefully to the ground, and then lift up with only about 20 pounds of lifting pressure. The nice thing with this design is it's ergonomically correct. So when you walk up to the ladder, you're not twisting or going over your head to bring down the ladder. Gentili makes several different sizes for different heights of vehicles. There's three different versions. One is for the smaller vans, one is for medium, but one of our sweet spots is the tall van. It'll bring down your ladders and other kinds of equipment. It also can be used in the recreational area. It can be used for kayaks and paddle boards. Gentili, available in the United States, warehoused in Ohio, can ship anywhere in the United States, comes pre-assembled, so the installation time is very small. Call me today. We can talk about Gentili ladder racks for your work or recreational needs.